Howdy, this is Terry, and I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to click that like button and look at the description of this video. I have all kinds of links, and on my homepage, you'll see a bunch of playlists for how I lost my weight. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Let's go through our nightly ritual. I pull out things that are, this is Wednesday's food. I mean Tuesday. This will be Wednesday. But Wednesday we have a road trip, so I kind of want to see what I have to eat on Wednesday. Looks like it's going to be the chicken Alfredo is one option. And pulled pork is another. And then I'll take a salad, I don't know which, and then green beans. So that'll be that evening. So that's my Wednesday food. And then this will be Thursday. I kind of want to see... I kind of would rather it be something a little more heavy. So I'm thinking I'll take some ground beef because Wednesday is my work trip. So I think Wednesday I'm going to, I'll take something a little more heavy like what like maybe like take my salad and that ground beef and turn it into like a Mexican, you know, like a Southwestern bowl. So that's going to be Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, and then I need to pull something out for Saturday. So I pull out one main meal, another main meal. I pull out two. Everything stays in my freezer until I pull it out of the freezer. How'd you like that? Stays in the freezer until I pull it out. So there's two mains, and then I pull out a vegetable. I have no idea what this is, but I'm pulling it out. So that's Saturday. So every day, as you just saw me do, I pull out the stack that's here, and then I rotate it around. So I always have 4 days worth of meals that are in the refrigerator. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then any other stuff that's in the refrigerator. So right now I'm pulling out stuff that we're going to use for tomorrow. So I'm going to get the rest of the stuff out, which would be yogurt and cottage cheese. I have 3 sausages. I'll use that for tomorrow evening. I have a little bit more of this rutabaga salad, so I'll probably finish that off tomorrow. But let's see, we're going to be getting a salad, so I'm going to want some jicama, whatever that is. And a salad. I have some ground beef right here pulled out. And because this weekend I would like to make some chili. It's getting that chilly weather. So I'm going to make my version of chili this weekend. We're going to need our pickled veg out. And I'll bring this over and see if there's anything, because I don't want this to go bad. This is my onions and mushrooms. I was putting it in my eggs, but since I have like 3 more meals before I'm back to my eggs. So, yeah. Although I might take, I don't know what I'll do on the day of the trip. We'll see what I do on that. What's this? Oh, red onions and white onions. Okay. Well, I'm good with this, so let's go see what we have for our food. I had to write a note today to remember to bring some spoons and forks, so I got that in there and ready to go. Of course, I know I'll have a salad, but let's look at our options. So that's some roasted veggie, looks like. That is ground beef. And this is, oh, I don't know if this is uploaded yet. This is my pork with onion gravy. This doesn't upload until this weekend. But you saw my making my onion gravy. Well, I made a bunch of pork chops. And then I poured some gravy on it. Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. So that's that. And that. So now I just need to make a salad to go with it. You know what? Like I said, I want to finish off this onion and mushroom. So I'm going to throw it in here with my pork chops. I'll use you. There we go. Like I said, I just want don't want it to go bad before I have eggs again. And I don't know, it might be a few days, so. All right, there's that, but I'm gonna keep this to set this on. Alrighty, so pork chops.
All I need is some applesauce. Pork chops and applesauce.
That's from the Brady Bunch. But I think it originally came from one of those old TV shows that were black and white TVs back in the olden days. Okay. So we have our salads that we made up. I ran out of rutabaga this weekend because I used it all in my salad. That was the dumbest thing I could have ever done, but it's all right, it worked. But I used all the rutabaga in my salad. Well, I mean, in the rutabaga salad. Well, the video you see or gonna see, it was actually from when I made my salads last weekend. It's just how I needed to get them uploaded. Just go with it. Don't be mad at me. Oh, I forgot my dressing. Hold on. All right, let's get some tomatoes on here. And I know you all see a lot of times I weigh some things and I don't weigh other things, and I don't know. There's no rhyme or reason. Well, there is a rhyme or reason. I'm not so worried about putting cucumbers and putting, extra cucumbers on a salad. That doesn't, I don't feel personally like 100 grams versus 150 grams of cucumbers is going to cause me a lot of problems. Might cause me a little bit of gas, but other than that, I don't think that's going to cause the problem. I think the problem comes with the things that I add that are more of the non-holistic food. So like my G. Hughes dressings and my G. Hughes sauces and things like that. I think that's where I have to try to keep myself in a little bit of check. And I did not put any seasoning on here. All right. So yeah, things like this is where, I kind of have to, I weigh it to keep myself in check for, let's put a little bit more of this guacamole seasoning. That was good. Okay. And let's put a little bit of some sesame seeds on here. Just because. Okay. Now tomorrow will be my first day back doing hot coffee. I made it over the weekend, but that wasn't for work. But tomorrow I'll be taking it to work, and making it in the morning before work. So, I forgot an apple. Hold on, I'm back to the big apples, I think. Hang on. Yeah, buddy, look at this big old apple. I only need one of these. Whoa, I dropped it. So anyway, so tomorrow morning I'll make my coffee in the morning. I've already got some, I think, let me double check. But I thought I put some grounds in here. Yep, I already got it full of coffee grounds. So I'm just going to stick it right in here. And then tomorrow, maybe I better leave it out so I don't forget. So I'll leave it right there. In the morning, I will run my coffee. And I'll put it in this here container. I'll go on and put some chocolate electrolytes in it now. So in the morning, all I have to do is run it. So there we go. And I'll run it and I'll put some stuff in it. And that'll be my coffee in the morning. So, all right, I'll see you tomorrow morning for breakfast. Random weight check. 164. I'm in maintenance mode, so that's kind of where I hover around between 63, 64, 65. So, all right, we're still maintaining. Y'all, I just ate all 3 of them sausages and I didn't even think about recording. Sorry. But you saw me pack them. And now I got the yogurt and cottage cheese. So, I don't know. I was just sitting here lost in my work email. And I was running behind, not behind late for work, but behind for me. Because I took the dogs to daycare, so that way when they're home tomorrow, this will kind of wear them down so they won't be so full of themselves when they're at home all day tomorrow with the dog door open. So, anyway, I took them to daycare. And, yeah, so I'll pick them up after work and we'll see how the day goes. Okay, bye. Hey, it's lunchtime. So let me tell you, where'd my spoon go? Hang on, where's my spoon? Oh, here it is. So, I did not take a bite whenever I made that onion gravy. Y'all saw that. Well, and if you remember, I used that chopper. I think it probably would have been a better texture had I used the like an actual food processor. I didn't. Anyway, but it's gonna be so good. But anyway, yeah, so next time I'll try. I think I might have not food processor, a blender. I think it would probably be more creamy with a blender. Who cares? It tastes so good. I don't care. I don't care about the texture. I don't care if it's a clump. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I do know onions are higher carb. So if it doesn't fit in your macros, I totally understand. And, so you got to do what's best for you and your macros. Now, I'm going to pause while I lick this. A salad. Like that. And this is a BAA. A big A apple. Look how big this thing is. It's about 1/4 of my head. I got a big head though. Anyway, so yeah, this one is a cosmic. So I'm gonna eat, but man, oh man, if that gravy fits your macros, you need to be trying it. Ooh, Nelly. Okay, bye. Let me tell you something. And that's all I got to say. If you didn't eat what I just ate, I'm sorry for you. I feel sorry for you. I feel sorry for you. And I feel sorry for you because that was amazing. Okay, bye. Hey, so tomorrow, or for tonight, supper, right now, we're going to add, let me get some of my seasoning here. We're going to use our Greek seasoning. This is ground beef. I'm going to put a little adobo in it. Just a little adobo. And just a little paprika. Just a little teeny tiny weeny. Eeny weeny itsy bitsy. If she wore a itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. That's what she wore. That's what she wore. If you're my generation, you might remember that song. Hang on, I gotta grab something. Alright. So we are going to do some pasta, not pasta, some pasta sauce, marinara sauce. And of course I got to have my Mina Harissa sauce. That's a given. Anytime I got to have pasta, it gives it just a smidge of a kick without too much. And then we're going to zero that out. And then we're going to do a serving of my tomato basil. This is 45 calories and 8 total carbs, 2 fiber, so 6 carbs. So just depend, but less than 1 added sugar. So 113 grams. Somebody asked me today, they were like, I thought you were keto, carnivore and keto. I'm like, in my comments, I'm like, yep, that's how I lost the weight. But as I've healed myself onto a stage of where I can, you know, where I'm eating like, oh, shut up, Siri. I'm eating like, I don't know what I'm eating like. I don't know really what you call it. It's still low carb. It's just definitely not zero carb. So we're going to add 10 grams of our Parmesan cheese. There's so many ways a person can, you know, lose weight and then maintain weight. I've had to kind of shift stuff around because my body's healed quite a bit. So now I'm able to add some things that I couldn't add before. So I'm going to heat this up. I'll be right back. Alrighty. I didn't even tell you what the side dish was. That's kind of funny. Sorry about that. So let me stir up my ground beef, my makeshift ground beef Italiano. Hey mama, it's Italiano. Hey mama, it's Italiano. Hey mama, it's, oh, I'm making a mess out of that there. Alright, let's clean that up. Get that wiped up. And looks like we have, oh, I think this is the stump. Oh yeah, because that's that's what you call it. Hang on, I'll show you. Hey mambo, it's Italiano. Hey mambo, it's Italian. Alright. Now, so let's taste our, I don't know, Italian bowl. You buy whatever works for you and yourself. And if you can't do sauces and you're carnivore, but if you do seasonings, you can do Italian seasoning. You can add you some cheese. That'll be real good. Now this is the stump that I made. So we got parsnip. That little parsnip right there. And it's got carrot. And it's got some rutabaga. Okay, so let's try to get a bite of each of it. Hold on. Try. Alright, so we got rutabaga, carrot, and turnip. I'm going to put this in my mouth. It's hot, but it's good. Something stringy in there. Hang on, I'm going to spit this out. I think I didn't peel that parsnip as much as I should have. Let me see how this parsnip is. I'm fine. Yeah. I probably left some peeling on it or something. So, that's my supper. My stump, my Italian bowl, and some fruit. I will see you in the next video. In the next video, we're going to be prepping because I got a work trip tomorrow. So, all right, I'll see you later. Bye.